Okay, today I am going to unbox this Ignite Wi-Fi gateway hub from Rogers. I recently changed my internet to Rogers Ignite, 150 Mbps down and 15 Mbps up. This particular Wi-Fi hub um, can support from 75 Mbps down all the way up to a gigabit Ethernet internet connection. So let's unbox this and see what is inside this box. Okay, on the top you can see there is a paper which tells you how to return your equipment. Um, when you want to return, you have to return the internet modem, and if you have any wall-to-wall mesh network, then you have to return those Wi-Fi pods as well. And in case you have the other services from Rogers, TV, home monitoring, home phone, and remote control, then you have to return the relevant hardware for those services as well. You can return using Canada Post, and yeah, that's the only option. Then there is Ignite Wi-Fi Promise, and then there is the simple easy installation guide which tells you how to install the Wi-Fi gateway. So here is the actual gateway. This doesn't look like a brand new unit. It looks like they just sealed an older unit, probably a customer return, and then they sealed it into this box which looks like new, and it was wrapped up with the polythene. There is a plastic we can remove from here, and then here is the button. Not much else on this. These are the 4 ports, 2 for the telephone and 2 for the Ethernet. This port plugs into your coax cable, and here is the power input. So this hub basically stands up like this on your desk, so you should have enough space to put it on. If you look at the bottom, you can see the network name is by default is Easy Connect 09570, and you have a password charge 1888 curve. So when you set this hub up, you can change the password and the Wi-Fi network name. If you already have an existing network, you can change the name and password to the same network name and password, and then you won't have to change or reconnect or reconfigure all of your devices. All of your devices would automatically connect to this hub if it has the same network name and the password. So let's look at the box. What else is in the box? Here is the power cable, standard 2-prong power cable, and then we have the coaxial cable which plugs into your wall and then connects to the back of this hub. Then these look like just the cable stops to me, termination caps. So it says to prevent signal interference, use terminating caps on all unused cable outlets. Yeah, if you are having any signal interference issues, you can put these caps on the end of those cables. And then here is the 7 feet category 5E Ethernet patch cord. So yeah, simply this will connect to your modem, and then you can plug into your computer, or if you have a switch, you can plug into that switch and make basically more connections, because you can only plug in 2 of these. So in one of them this patch cord will connect, and then you would need an external switch if you want to connect a few more wire devices. Okay.